Alright, picture this, your dream car. The new car smell, the leather seats, the horsepower, it's all calling your name. You head to the dealership, and after hours of negotiation, you finally hear those magic words, "Congrats. You're approved for financing." You sign the paperwork, drive off in style, and guess what? You've just locked yourself into a financial trap that could drain your wallet for years. Today, we're diving into why car loans might just be the biggest ripoff most people fall for. The hidden cost of car loans. Now, here's the thing. Car loans look great on the surface. I mean, who wouldn't want to drive away in a new ride for just a low monthly payment? But here's the truth. Those low payments are hiding a mountain of debt that can stick with you for years, and in some cases, you're actually paying double for that car. Yeah, you heard that right. Let's break it down. Why car loans are costing you more than ever. Did you know that the average price of a new car in the US has skyrocketed to over $48,000 in 2023? That's insane. But here's where it gets even worse. The average car loan lasts for 6 to 7 years. That's right, 70 to 84 months of payments. And let's not forget the interest rates. Right now, the average interest rate on car loans is hovering around 5 to 6%. But for people with bad credit, it can shoot up to double digits. Imagine this. You finance that new car, and by the time you pay it off, you could be shelling out thousands of dollars more than the sticker price. That's money you'll never get back. Now, let's talk about interest. It might not seem like a big deal when you're focusing on those monthly payments, but here's the catch. On a 6-year loan, you could easily be paying more than $7,000 in interest alone. That's like paying for a whole new car you'll never get to drive. Think about that for a second. You're paying thousands of dollars just for the privilege of borrowing money to buy a car that's losing value the second you drive it off the lot. Depreciation, the silent killer of your investment. And here's another hard truth. Your car isn't even worth what you're paying for it. The second you leave the dealership, your car loses about 10% of its value. By the end of the first year, it's down another 20%. Within 5 years, most cars lose about 60% of their value. So, while you're stuck paying off that loan for 6 or 7 years, your car is worth less and less. You're underwater on your loan almost immediately. Insurance and maintenance. The expenses keep piling up, and let's not forget, when you finance a car, it's not just the loan payment you're stuck with. You're also on the hook for full coverage insurance, which is way more expensive than basic coverage. The average cost of full coverage insurance in the US is around $1,700 per year. Add that to your loan payments, plus regular maintenance, repairs, and gas, and suddenly, that affordable car loan is draining your bank account faster than you think. The never-ending cycle of debt. Here's where it gets even more brutal. Many people trade in their car before they've even paid off the loan. They roll the remaining balance into a new loan, and bam! They're stuck in an endless cycle of debt on top of debt. You might think you're upgrading to a better car, but you're really just sinking deeper into a financial hole. It's a vicious cycle that's designed to keep you paying. The smart alternative: buy used, pay cash. But don't worry, there's a way out of this trap. Instead of financing a brand new car, consider buying used and paying in cash. Used cars have already gone through the steepest depreciation, meaning you can get a great deal without paying thousands in interest. In fact, studies show that buying a used car just 2-3 years old can save you up to 30% compared to buying new. Plus, with cash in hand, you avoid the burden of monthly payments altogether. Freedom from debt. Why paying cash is the ultimate win. Imagine this. You save up, you walk into the dealership or meet a private seller, and you pay for the car in cash. No monthly payments. No interest. No stress. You own your car outright from day one. It might take a little longer to save, but that feeling of owning a car with no debt attached? That's true financial freedom. Budget, plan, and be smart. How to avoid the car loan trap. So how do you get there? It's simple. Start by budgeting smartly. If you're currently driving a car, put money aside each month as if you were paying a loan, except you're paying yourself. Over time, you'll build up a down payment or even the full cost of a reliable used car. And remember, A car is just a tool to get you from point A to point B. It doesn't need to be the flashiest, newest model on the road. Final thought: don't get trapped by car loans. At the end of the day, car loans might seem like the easiest way to get that dream ride, but in reality, they're a trap that can keep you stuck in debt for years. By the time you pay off your car, it's lost so much value that you'll never get your money back. Instead of falling for the flashy ads and tempting monthly payments, take control of your finances. Avoid the car loan trap. Buy smart, save smart, and drive yourself to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips that'll keep you ahead of the game. Have you ever felt trapped by a car loan? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, you deserve to own your car, not the other way around.